Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter password and security section. Firstly, to lock apps with fingerprint, you will have to add your fingerprint to this device. If you have no idea how to do it, you can find this tutorial on our channel. So firstly, you will have to add your fingerprint. After you added your fingerprint, you can access this fingerprint section, enable this app lock option. Then you have to go to the apps section, go to the app lock, then tap turn on. Then you can set pattern to your locked apps. You can also set PIN or any other lock method. I'll just stay with PIN. Then you have to confirm it. And now you can block apps. Let's block, for example, Google Chrome, Messages, Gallery, no idea. And now, as you can see, I can't unlock Google Chrome without my fingerprint. The same goes to Messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.